So this was unplanned. Well, hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl, Kie RaShon. Today's video is brought to you by NadulaHair. They sent me another unit to try for you guys. Now listen, okay, listen. Before you get into this video, just know I did not plan on doing this to my wig. We ran into some things and I had to save my wig with the wrap. So if you want to see and hear what I'm talking about, make sure you stay tuned for that. As always, if you're new to the channel, make sure you go ahead and subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. Also give this video a thumbs up if you want to see more videos like this in the future. Let's go. Okay, so like I said, this unit comes to us from NadulaHair. All the specs of my unit are right here on the screen, so if you want to check it out, you can. I'm going to first tint my lace because it is a little ashy. This is going to be more of a styling video. Y'all have seen me do this color numerous times, so we will talk about the pros and cons when it comes to this color from Nadula, but I want to see if I can do a certain styling for this wig because Nadula came with the parting space. If y'all didn't realize, after the world shut down, you know, for those 2 years or whatever, the lace situation for these wigs was cut real short on the sides. They were being real cheap on the lace, but they are starting to get back into that full frontal action and I am here for it. Y'all saw my face during the unpackaging. I was a little taken aback. We gonna do some things today. Let's see how this wig is fitting down with my wig grip. Nope, 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 nope. Come on, fit over. Don't embarrass me, child. I don't like that. Let me take off this wig grip. I can't be walking around with a concussion. I just can't do it. I do want to leave the straps on the wig, but if I start to feel a little pressure around my temples, I can take off those straps in the back. I did wash his hair because it did come with a chemical smell. You will want to do that. Where's my claw clip? Slow down. I need to make sure my ear tabs are sitting where I need them to sit because I want to make sure my styling is going to come out right. It does sit a little weird on my hairline though. Like the lace is like cut back behind the ears. It doesn't really give you like the shape around your ear. So you would definitely need to use your own judgment to cut out your ear tabs. Put my glasses back on so I can see. Okay, so that was a little struggle bus. So I don't know if that's because how the lace is on this wig. You may need to take your wig off and cut off your ear tabs. If I'm struggling with it, and I've been doing this for a little bit now, you may struggle with it too. Is my hairline uneven? It did have some baby hairs in here, but I'm not gonna use those. I'm just gonna pull out some of these. He would come and cut my grass right now. I'm hoping my hairline will blend out once I do my little mousse situation. All right, I'm gonna use my mousse around the hairline. Even though the hairline looks a little blocky, I'm hoping that my little swirlies will get that under control. This lace is like rolling back. Nadula, what's going on with this lace? That has never happened before. Let me just cut off that excess that's kind of rolling back. This is definitely a different lace. It almost looks gray. Okay, so I'm gonna spray mine down right here in the front. I wanna make sure my wig not gonna be pushed back to oblivion. Hold up, this extra lace has to go. Any products you see me use in this video will be linked down below, so if you guys want to check anything out or have any questions about what I'm using, make sure you check it down below in the description box. I wish I had a thinner band. I wish it was a little bit taller. Try to put the band down here so it's not disrupting my styling. All right, so the lace is back here. Is this a 13 by 6? Wait a minute. No, it's a 4. Okay, so I'm gonna use my Nairobi mousse all over the hair. I want to have the curls look a little fluffy, but I need them to be a little bit more defined than what they are right now. I don't really know how I want to style this wig. I mean, I may just wear it all out for like a big fluffy look, or I may do something else. I don't know. I have no idea. Some shedding with this wig and some tangling towards the ends. Ooh, I'm making a mess. Brush it down, brush it down. Y'all know my sweet spot for curly wigs is normally that 18 to 20 inch. So this longer length is something different for me. Uh-oh, missed some spots, hold up. I hope that's my package. Pin it back. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and do my makeup, diffuse the hair, and then we'll come back and see what style we're gonna do, because I really don't know right now. So the diffusing for this hair took no time at all. I mainly blow dried it with the diffuser off because I wanted a more lengthened look. I didn't want it to shrink up too much. The curls are a lot looser and they're not as clumped together. Y'all know I normally like to clump my curls together with my finger, but I wanted to keep it in a more natural state for this look. This color job is amazing. Now let's see how this lace is sitting, because y'all saw it was a little wonky. Let's ooh-wee. It's still gray, but it looks a little better. Do I want to use contour? Dang it, I left too much lace on there. But I'm gonna go ahead and just cover it up with my contour all around the hairline, and then I'm gonna bring some little swishies down as well because I want a more swishy type of hairline. The parting space is really tight, but I'm still gonna work it for what it is. Bring that up in the front. That is really dark. Like, that's way too dark on me. I'm gonna use a makeup wipe. See if I can wipe some of that off. Some of it's coming off. I don't know what kind of lace that is. Normally that lace is not like that. I don't know what I'm doing right now. Maybe I want a side part. Ooh. Considering I got the parting space, I might as well. Keep on wiping. Maybe my foundation is a better match. You can definitely see that grayness right in there. Okay, Nadula, I got some questions. It's a little too dry right there. Okay. I think I'm gonna leave it alone. I'm gonna be straight up with y'all. I don't know if I like this length on me for this color. I'm also having issue with my lace. It's just not sitting right. I would definitely suggest you do like I'm about to do and cut off any excess lace that you don't need for this one, because it's just so dark. See how it took that right off? So yeah, you can't leave any type of excess lace on this one, because it would definitely create a shadow around your head like I have over here. Y'all see that? Bring it around, bring it around. I'm just not feeling it all down. Let me scoot down a little bit. So I'm just gonna pin it up. If you don't like to pin up, you already saw it all down. So do what you wanna do with your wig. Let's just make a messy ponytail. I'm gonna wrap that around, twist it down. Bring it up, bring it up, bring it up. This way. And tuck it in. Bring this one up. And tuck it in. Pull it through, pull it through. Hold on, put my glasses on. I hope my front looks good. Let me put some mousse on here. So if you ever run into a jam where you're just not feeling the wig, do something else. Make sure my front is how I want it to be. So this was unplanned. Thanks TikTok for the inspo. I like it up more. I'm just saying, let me show you the back real quick. Pull that down so you don't see my kitchen. I like it up more. Put on my jewelry to finish out my look here. And I think that's it. With this particular color, I think the blonde was just a little bit too much in that length for me. Okay, I have tried this color in a shorter length, so I will link it down below so you can see how that actually looks. So if you want to get a shorter length for this wig, you can definitely do that. The only thing I would say for Nadula is, I don't know what's up with that lace, but you may want to go ahead and fix that. Cut the lace off, cut it back into your hairline if you need to, so that you don't see it as much. A little bit of lace showing, okay. But for the prices, I don't want no lace showing. But that's all I got for you guys today. Shout out one more time to NadulaHair for sending me this unit. I really appreciate it. I will put the direct link, my specs, and the coupon codes for this unit down below, so if you guys want to check it out, you can. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. Also smash the notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. I love you guys so much, and I will see you next time. Bye.